All right, great. In case you guys did not know that, you could have your logo right on the table. I think everybody in here knows it. I was able to work a tremendous deal. This costs money, actually. Receive significant rewards or percentage of rakeback from your players when and if you guys want your table on there. Doc Boogie, don't you want a Doc Boogie on the table? Don't you want that? Yeah, we kind of caught the top here. I think this is where we were at last night. Things have significantly changed since then. Let me show you the ones from today, and I'll show you where my mind's at, and then I'll show you where we're at in the trade and why we're going to be able to give away some things tonight. Earlier today, I was looking at something like this. We were already in a short. We took significant profits out of it already. I was thinking that we had this nice sea pony here, kind of falling into a descending triangle potentially. And then I was kind of looking. I was like, oh, geez, this kind of fits. I'm not a big believer in wolf patterns, but this is kind of like a wolf pattern. Later on in the day, it did start pushing up, and I adjusted. I adjusted my trade to where this crab, this beautiful crab, was looking like a thing, and that we might come up to potentially 29,456. I posted it on Twitter. I kind of dug the way if you see here, it might be a little bit hard to see because they're very thin and faint lines, but these sigma waves just kept on going down, and then it seemed like volume kind of wanted to taper off there, but still the same structure, still the same wolf wave. We're still range bound here, and then something exciting happened later on. And I posted this in the Discords channel. In fact, I thought, Sam, friend of the channel. He's just been crushing it. Yeah, I did post these in the Discord channel. I don't know. I thought we might be possibly range bound. Perhaps test the top of these ranges. Perhaps we go down a little bit deeper. Nobody knows exactly. Nobody can predict the top. There's no Nostradamuses out there that could predict to the penny where all this stuff's going. And then over in the MDX Discord channel. But over here in the MDX Discord channel, I posted a little bit more. I like the MDX Discord channel. It's really great over there. A lot of people, or a lot of Discord channels, it's people behind freaking keyboards, and they are just relentless, absolutely relentless with the hate, as you can imagine. Everybody here is online. Everybody here is on social media. Everybody reads the comments on certain things. It is insane the amount of antisocial behavior on social media. I really do enjoy the MDX crypto Discord channel. If you're big into crypto, I would recommend going over there, creating an account. Use my link though. I think I get a little bit of a perk. Let me know if you want to do that. Whisper me or something. You'll have to pay, but I could get you. I'll give you a discount code though. I think it's like $30 a month or something like that. Oh, excuse me. I really enjoy the MDX Discord channel when it comes to crypto. I can't hang in a lot of the other crypto ones because just people are just so vicious and full of poison. Maybe it's not that way in the MDX Discord because there's a lot of Brits in there. A lot of British people in there, and maybe they just have better manners. Maybe they just have better manners than 18-year-old Americans. But it's a really wonderful place, and there's some super experienced traders over there, which I love listening to, and they're very helpful to even new people. So I kind of like that. But we posted a bunch over there. This is where the price. We're in a short right now. We're a little bit upside down, but not really, because I did take a bunch of profits out. I don't know. Can you guys see this? We're up 132 bucks in today's trade. I'm really hoping. I'm really banking on Asians when their markets open to really let the fuckery begin. But so we're doing pretty good. We had a string of days where we've been up, and we've been able to do some giveaways and whatnot. This is great overall on a larger 4-hour time frame. You have this anti-shark, this test. I thought it was going to fail and perhaps collapse out of here. I'm not really sure. If we pulled a Fibonacci just on this leg, though, let's see where it hits right there. It hits the 886 perfect. Or if that is even an anti-shark cipher, so we'll find out. Let me get rid of that. So I do think we might have put in some kind of double top here, in that we may be coming back down, perhaps. Not really sure. If we zoom in on like the little 1-hour time frame, let me turn off that little cipher. Believe it or not, this little anti-Gartley was responsible for kicking this out of this penguin butthole and really kicking it off. I could close the trade right now, and I think we're a little bit. Currently, we're a little bit upside down, but we have some in our pocket. I think we're over $100, and we could give all that away. I wish there was better confluences or even divergences on the oscillators. There's just not really. If we zoom back out to the 4-hour time frame, it does look like it's climbing up. If you go out to the daily, these are also no joke. There is a huge daily divergence on the QQE, and there's also a divergence as well on the money flow. Yeah, and those are no joke. But on the daily time frame, sometimes they take week plus 2 weeks. Sometimes they take a while to formulate. And there is a money flow. No, it's not even a money flow divergence. It's just everything seems to be marching in tune. Oh, this is exciting. I put this on here. You also, it was so funny. I actually posted a video about sea ponies on our YouTube channel. Yeah, I actually posted a video about sea ponies on our YouTube video yesterday, and why I was and I love sea ponies. I love this. Whenever you have a retracement between the 382 and the 0.5, you can start looking for sea ponies. And as long as this retracement is the 1618 or the 2618 or somewhere in between there, you got yourself a sea pony, and these things are really great. And that's why I was kind of digging it. But check this out. Just by coincidence, let me go ahead and draw this here. This sea pony, up, down, retrace 382. Up to there, that's close enough to 1618. I'll take it. Let me change the color of that. Let me change the color of that to white. We got ourselves another sea pony, and these things are really great. You could check it. Let me go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to turn it back on. Actually, let me delete it, and then I'm going to put it back on. Show you guys a little trick. And let me turn this guy off, kind of. And let me turn off the Algo 3 just to make the charts a little bit clearer. So you got this yellow sea pony, you got this white sea pony, and the sea pony is actually really easy. Let me just move that down here. So traditionally on a sea pony, when you see this price moves, it's liquid. It doesn't move in just straight lines or even curvy lines. It moves in up and down jagged lines, and it moves in zigzag ABC patterns, ABCD patterns. Now, in a traditional, if you're looking at stonks or Forex or something like that, what you would want to do is wait for this to come down, hit this C point, perhaps go underneath it, treat it as resistance and then come back down. And this would actually technically be your entry point. Or it can move something like this, come down, take a hard bounce, fail to hit the local VWAP, and then come crashing down, something like that. But this would be your entry here, typically. But in my experience, don't listen to me. This is not financial advice. I don't know what I'm doing. You guys have seen me crash and burn so many times in poker and trading. In crypto, though, in my experience, you want to be a little bit more nimble on your feet, and you want to kind of try to get this area up here. Yeah, I don't know. So that's where we're at. We are, again, let me just show you where we're at in the trade in our stock poker promo giveaway account. We're up $132. That's money that we took out of the trade, put it in our pocket. So technically, we could go upside down. We're currently upside down only $15 because where the price action went, and yeah, so we could actually close this and make what, 110, 120 bucks, something like that, and I would be happy as a clam, because then I could just give away $100. We enter into a trade. I've been doing it for a long time. I haven't really been showing you guys, and I'm going to try to change that. I'm going to try to show you a little bit more of this stuff, and show you exactly where all this, giveaway money, comes from. It comes from this right here. It's not. I'm not pulling it out of my pocket. I'm not raking it from you guys. I'm doing what I would normally do. Just enter into some kind of trade in this particular account. This is our stock poker trade promo account, and yeah, that's where all this giveaway money comes from. I'm not always up, and sometimes I catch a unicorn, and sometimes I get crushed, and some days there's no trades. Just like in poker, hopefully your wins outweigh all your buy-ins, and all those times you don't cash in a tournament. And overall, your poker bankroll grows over time because you do all the things that you do in trading. You make smart trades. You enter tournaments with the correct buy-ins. If you have $1,000 roll, you don't go entering $300 tournaments, because you got 3 tournaments to cash, and sometimes in tournaments you might go 10 tournaments before cashing. You might go 20 live. You might go an entire summer without cashing anything. It's just the way it happens. But we try to follow proper bankroll management, risk management. This year, full disclosure, has not been good to me overall in the stonks. It has not been good to me. I have suffered some major losses this year. But the stock poker trade promo account is healthy, and we'll have at least, if I close it right now, we could have $100 to give away. I don't want to close it just yet. If somebody was my trade monkey tonight, I would actually have to ask them, do you want us to close it and pick up $110, or do we let this shit ride? Or MDX Discord was the very first one for crypto that I've ever been a member of, that people didn't get all toxic on you, or like people would just, like there might be somebody that like starts targeting you or something. It's just like, dude, we're just here to chat and we don't even know each other. It's just like, fucking relax.
Sorry, a dingo ate your baby.
No, what? A dingo ate my baby? No. Yeah, a dingo did eat my baby and all those other discords. I finally found a nice home where everybody's cool and nice. And I think it's because they're all British, or a lot of them are. Oh my goodness, Copper Bop. Can I use that? Can I write that down? So some days there's corn and some days there's cob. And some days you have blight. Some days you have bumper crop. Someday Elon Musk tweets out fertilizer and everything just rises like a SpaceX rocket to the moon. Sometimes that SpaceX rocket blows up a minute after launch. So if somebody turns it in, they get to make a decision, to walk away with $110. I don't give a shit. I'll enter in another trade tomorrow. No big deal. There's always a trade. I want to say last Tuesday got up to like $440 or something like that. So that would be pretty exciting if we could do a repeat. That would be pretty exciting. So let me take a little bit of a break. I'll be right back. I'm going to rearrange the screens and things. Then we'll play the game. And actually, oh, Copper Bop, can you, since nobody turned in the Trade Monkey tonight, can you give away two $20 tickets? Just do what you do there. Do what you do, and probably by the time I'm done kind of cleaning up my desk and stuff, probably those raffles will be done, and then we'll give away 2 tickets to the $20 game. And please be able to play. If you can't, that's absolutely cool. Obviously, you have to have a stock poker name, but yeah, Copper, if you don't mind doing that, that would be really great. And I'm gonna be back in a few minutes, guys.